Hey, good morning, everybody. Bob, Trade Genius, the 8th of March. And here's the oil chart. This is an hourly, or is this daily? This is a daily. And I want to just show you here the, uh, the oil market quickly. I understood that the coronavirus and the quarantines were going to be something to be contended with. And right here was our top. Nice little inverted hammer here, kind of one, but a failure candle on the 8th of January, as soon as the new year started. And it's been downhill ever since. My buy the dip, sell the rip indicator here on the 22nd of January came into play, although there's a nice little recovery bounce here, and then we just fell off a cliff. And based on what I'm seeing this weekend, we're going to get into the 30s here with oil big time. And a lot of people are talking maybe down to 20. I just have no clue. Just kind of just watch it. But some people probably bought this dip when you have a move that's 0.88. This one was kind of parabolic. Down point 0.9 and greater on Pearson to me is I consider parabolic, but this is extreme move, and so you just kind of stay away and let it stabilize. Be the second mouse and get the cheese instead of the trap, and let this thing start turning back. We're not smart enough at retail to catch these bottoms, especially if you're playing with leverage here. But to me, it looks like you get a self-fulfilling prophecy here because the producers now will start shorting the futures market to protect their output, and that's what happened. I forget what year it was. I can look it up here while we talk. But when we dumped all the way down to $29 or $27, the futures market, they were selling. Producers were selling to protect their, and bankers were selling to protect their credits. And I think that's where we're going to see this now. There's a war now between Saudi Arabia and Russia, and the only ones people are going to win it are going to be us in the U.S. and in Europe because of the trade, basically the tax cut that we're going to get from this. I wouldn't worry about the U.S. producers too much. This is not going to last long because they can't. And the only good thing about low price of oil, it basically kills the mischief these countries can get into because this is where they derive their government income to create their tools and their trade to do terrorism and all other good things. So Iran's in trouble, Saudi Arabia's in trouble, the Gulf's in trouble, Russia's going to be in trouble. No matter what they say, they can't handle sub 40 oil either. And the United States, we're produce and consume. Who cares? Canada's probably not going to like this too much. Mexico probably won't like this too much either. Asia will like this. So a little lemonade for some, lemons for others, just like the change in the climate. Anyway, I thought I'd share that with you, but it's going to be interesting to see where this thing bounces from. So let me go out while we're here. Let me look. I forget exactly when that last dump was with oil. Here we go. It was 2015 and 2016. We went for over 110 down to the low, got to around 27. Let me see here, 2608, and then we ripped up here to 75, and we had our dump here in 2018. That was I think this was the China dump here. No, that wasn't. China dumped in the beginning of the year. So we dump here, and now we're dumping again. There's just too much oil out there anyway. People talk about scarcity of oil, peak oil. They're idiots. Oil is not a fossil fuel. It's basically cooked in the earth. Swedish scientists have proven that. He stuck straws in the ground in places where there shouldn't be oil. They found it because it just cooks. All that biomass with those retrenching plate tectonics gets into the mantle, gets cooked, gets brought back to the surface, gets trapped under the non-porous rocks, and then it's ready for action again. So oil is not a big deal here, and so I'm happy. It's let's get down there. The oil patch will survive this. and we'll be back to $40-$50 oil again here soon enough. But we'll dump pretty hard here first, I think. So my best guess, I'm just going to make a wild ass guess here, and I'm going to say we'll probably get down here to the mid 30s, and then I think that'll probably hold it for now. I doubt we're going to get this low, but you just don't know the way these derivative markets work. They can get insane. So we'll just have to wait and see. But enjoy your cheap oil while you can, while you're quarantined and can't drive. So anyway, catch you guys later. Bye.